Welcome to our tutorial on using Petiole Pro for leaf area analysis. This app helps you measure the leaf area of plants, leaf greenness and size quickly and accurately. First, install Petiole Pro from the Google Play Store. It's available for most Android devices. Once installed, open the app, log in with your email and grant the necessary permissions for the best experience. To measure a leaf, let's start by taking a photo of your leaf. Place the leaf on a flat surface with good lighting. Put the calibrating plate next to the leaf. If the leaf is small enough, you can place it on the calibrating plate. Ensure all 8 markers are visible while taking a clear image of the leaf. After capturing the image with your camera, return to the Petiole Pro app and tap Photo in Leaf Analysis. The app will allow you to select the photo of the leaf you want to process. Tap on the photo of your leaf and the app will calculate the leaf area automatically. You can tap on the thumbnail of the leaf to enlarge the view and check the accuracy of segmenting the leaf from the background. If you notice that the segmentation has captured some background in addition to the leaf, you can try a different leaf area measuring algorithm. Tap on the Get symbol and choose HSV as your segmentation model. The Petiole Pro app will recalculate the area and you can select which measurement is more accurate. You can save the measurements for future reference. To measure the greenness of the leaf in your photo, place the leaf on the calibrating plate or next to it. Ensure the 2 green markers on the lower part of the calibrating plate as well as all 8 markers around the calibrating plate are visible. Touch the leaf in the area of interest and you will get the dark green color index, DGCI, for this specific area. DGCI is one of the indexes, along with SPAD, used for non-destructive assessment how green the plant is. Tap on the gas symbol and choose small, medium or large for the size of the region of interest, ROI. You can save any measurements by tapping the saving icon on the left-hand side below the photo of the captured leaf. To measure the size of the leaf, choose a point on the edge of the leaf and the opposite side. You will see a line between the 2 dots. You can adjust the location of the dots to make your measurements more accurate. Let us know if you wish to explore advanced features like batch processing, multiple leaves at once, species-specific analysis and measuring other leaf conditions and traits, such as areas damaged by pests or diseases. If you encounter any issues, please contact us via email and we will be in touch within 24 hours. Thank you for using the Leaf Analysis mini app in Petiole Pro. We hope this tutorial helps you easily measure leaf areas. For any questions or support, contact us at support@petioleapp.com. Happy leaf analyzing and measuring!